Boom Bam! Roadie! And Truckee! In beep beep!
Truckee! Truckee? Where is he? Truckee! I'm counting to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Voom Vam.
Hey, Rhodey, have you seen Truckee?
No.
He told me to meet him here so we'd go to the beach together. And I waited and waited, and he's not here.
Maybe he forgot.
Forgot?
Why would you want to go to the beach? It's full of wet water that splashes around.
Sounds like fun. Tell Truckee I got tired of waiting and went on my own.
Huh?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Wow, I've never seen so much water before. I've made it to the beach by myself. Sand, get ready. I'm gonna jump on you. 1, 2, 3. Boom! You're so soft. And this tickles. Ocean, wait for me. I'm coming. Waves, you want to play hide and seek? You can't catch me. I have wipers. I'm not afraid of your splashes. Wow. You didn't get me. Try again. Uh-oh. What's this? What's happened to me? Where did my wheels go? I'm sure they were here. I'm stuck. Oh, no.
Hey, Truckee. What are you doing?
I'm watering.
Help! What's that?
Oops, sorry. It's just water.
Water? I can't stand water. That's why I didn't go to the beach with Voom Vam.
Boom Bam went to the beach?
She waited for you, and you didn't show up.
I completely forgot we said we'd go. Come on.
Huh.
Let's join her. It'll be fun.
Really? Wait for me. I don't want to touch the sand or the water.
Come on, stop splashing. My wipers are getting tired. Oh, Ocean, you're so salty. Help!
That's Voom Vam's horn. Voom Vam? Voom Vam? Truckee's on his way. Don't go anywhere.
I can't go anywhere. My wheels have disappeared.
Huh?
You've got to save her from the sand. Look, it ate Voom Vam's wheels.
Oh. It's all right, Boom Bam. You just sank into the sand. You need big tires like mine for the sand.
I'm so happy to see you, Truckee.
Aha!
Wow, Rhodey, did you see that?
Look. Yuck, you're full of sand. I can't stand sand.
Rhodey's right. We could use a little dip in the water.
What's that? Oh, it's wet. That's water. I don't like water. It's wet. Stop. It's not funny.